Blue, those blues I had. When I turn on the coupe, like I was telling you. Not in this. All those empty shells are the ones that's missing. Rolled out yesterday. One toes out there, toes Malcolm X kept going behind. I don't see. My razor is my. Okay. My blue magpie up there. It's a blue magpie. Caught two right there in the cage that we caught. Red and white vans. Right over there. And the strawberry I caught this morning, strawberry beer. Still missing a lot of birds. Bees like that. That's what happens on the winter day. Lock up. Simple. Lock up. Just go through here, lock it up. Right through there. Trying to grab the rope to get out. Lock them out. I don't want them to be too cold. That tiplet right there just came back the other day. It's a fast tiplet. Yeah, it's me inside the loft now. I'm inside the coop. Yeah. Inside the coop over here. See, I made it so I could fit. Perfect. Got plenty of room to fit. Definitely got plenty of room. Over here I got hanging out shelves, see? The hangout shelves. Box shelves there. I could put, hanging out shelves there in the corner. Got the top shelves. There's still another corner of hanging out shelves. I mean, I could breathe out of those shelves if I want. But definitely I will put these right here to breathe. All these boxes. I'll put them to breathe. Got plenty of room in my coop. It's a nice blue tiger right there. Probably made them. It's a nice blue. I had a bunch like that. A bunch, man. Nice fucking blues. White tails and shit, and I fucking lost them. My bad, but I'm just pissed. I'll be that dude with the birds up on the roof. My birds, the bands that I'm gonna have for this year, that I'm gonna breed them when you catch them. They're gonna say, you know what I mean? When you catch them, you say, whose birds from? They're gonna say, Marcy's son. That's where these birds come from. You know what I mean? Yeah, so check it out. That's how I do up on my roof. I could divide this coop right here and still got plenty of room. Break it down in half and still got plenty of room. Now, get out the coop and I'm in the screamy. Screaming could be common into, breeding. Box shells there, big ones. Means I want to breed some homers. Then I come and lock it out. But don't forget this. Whenever you see that, you know whose roof you are. Take it. Got the automatic bamboo lock. Niggas wonder what the heck is this. It's my lock, niggas. Who gonna go to my roof? Tell me. Ain't nobody gonna go to my roof. See that? It's the Dowdy, nigga. It's the Dowdy right there. Yeah. Jerry ain't out. That's the view. Frank ain't out. Eddie ain't out. Joey's not out. Shawty's not out. Anybody in Bushwick? Nobody. Nobody out. Well, word. So that's it. Now we're gonna go down. You see that sign right there? See that sign right there? That be my sign. Yeah. That's the roof. We're coming down from the roof now. See the sign? You can't see. I bring it, says Willie's Man Cave. Where mans could be. Where mans can be mans. You know what I'm saying? That's my rooftop. Oh, I gotta bring the skylight down. Alright, bang. Bring me down the roof. Dang, see that? Whoa. That's how it is right there. Haha.